Welcome to Shortview Trading. This is your morning market hit for Monday, the 10th of February. What matters today and this week for traders. So markets lost a lot of their momentum on Friday, giving back a bit of their gains from the rally during the week. And of course, that's only natural in the classic context of a pullback. Pullbacks, as we like to say, tend to happen in three waves. An initial wave of selling, followed by a relief rally wave 2, and then a third wave down to new intraday lows, typically, or the intraday lows from wave 1. Now, whilst in the US this isn't the typical three wave, in fact during the relief rally last week we made new highs, over in Asia it is a typical classic three wave, and you can see from the Shanghai composite we're showing you now, after the initial wave of selling we've had a bit of a relief rally, and now we're of the view we're rolling over. A great way to play these three waves is the risk appetite models. Markets tend to be dominated by fear and greed at these times, and indeed that's what the risk appetite models measure. That's why RAG1 plus RAG2 are two key combined risk appetite models together tend to give quite timely buy and sell signals once you get into the pullback. As you can see, we had a strong buy at the start of the relief rally, the wave 2. We now are back on sell on this model, and indeed on a bunch of other short-term trading models. As such, we're expecting more downside from here over the coming trading sessions in a probable wave 3, and we're positioned to play that. For full details on how we're playing this, please see today's Daily Rag, available to subscribers and on the website. So what are we watching today and indeed this week? In terms of key macro, there's lots going on. Over in the Eurozone, perhaps the key data point is the Eurozone first quarter GDP estimate out on Friday. In Asia, it's really Chinese total social financing again on Friday, albeit take it with a pinch of salt given the impact on macro data from the coronavirus. And then finally in the States, lots of bits and pieces of macro data, including retail sales and Michigan consumer confidence on Friday and consumer price inflation on Thursday, amongst other things. In terms of key events, lots going on. In the States, all eyes on the primary for the Democrats on Wednesday in New Hampshire. Also all eyes on what used to be known as the Humphrey Hawkins testimony, when Jerome Powell gives testimony on Tuesday and Wednesday up on the Hill. And then we've also got central bank meetings on Wednesday out of New Zealand and Sweden. In terms of key earnings, the earnings season continues out of the States, the fourth quarter earnings season. Lots of bits and pieces coming out, including the likes of Cisco. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Monday, the 10th of February. Thank you very much for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and or Twitter. Thank you.